Welcome to the tutorial on arithmetic operations in Java. In this tutorial, you will learn about the various arithmetic operators, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and how to use them. For this tutorial, we are using Ubuntu 11.10, JDK 1.6, and Eclipse 3.7. To follow this tutorial, you must have Eclipse installed on your system, and you must know how to create, save, and run a file in Eclipse. If not, for relevant tutorials, please visit our website as shown. Here is a list of operators and the mathematical operations they perform. Plus symbol for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and slash for division. We shall look at each of them in detail. Here we have the Eclipse IDE and the skeleton required for the rest of the code. We have created a class by name Arithmetic Operations and added the main method. Let us add some variables. Int x equal to 5, int y equal to 10, int result. X and y will be operands, and the result will store the output of the operation. Let us add them and print the result. Result equal to x plus y system dot out dot println in parenthesis result. Save it with Ctrl S and Ctrl F11 to run. We see that the output of the addition has been stored in result and the value has been printed. Now let us change the values. X equal to 75, y equal to 15. Save it. Run. We see that the output has changed accordingly. Now let us try negative values. Y equal to minus 25. Save. Run. We see that the output of 75 plus of minus 25 has been printed. Now let us try subtraction. Y equal to 5 and change x plus y to x minus y. Save it. Run. We see that the output of 75 minus 5 has been printed. Now let us try multiplication. Change minus to asterisk, save and run. We see that by using asterisk we could multiply 75 by 5. Now let us try division. Remove asterisk and type slash. Save it, run. As we can see, the output is as expected. Now let us see what happens when the expected result is a decimal point number. Change 5 to 10. The result must be 7.5. So let us change the result to a float. Save it. Run. Note that although the expected result is 7.5, we get output 7.0. This is because Both the operands involved in the division are integers. Let us change y to a float y equal to 10f. Save, run. Now we can see that the result is as expected. Keep in mind that when the expected result is a float, one of the operands must be a float to get the expected output. Now let us see what happens when there is more than one operator. Remove all the operands. Int result equal to 8 plus 4 minus 2. Save it, run. As we can see, the output is as expected. Now change minus to a slash. Now the output could be 6 if the addition is done before division, or it could be 10 if the division is done before addition. Let us run and see the output. As we can see, the output is 10 and the division is done before addition. This is because the division operator has more precedence than the addition operator. In such situations, if we need to override the precedence, we use parentheses. By adding parentheses, we instruct Java to do the addition before the division. Let us run the file now. As we can see, addition has been performed first and the output is 6 as expected. As a rule, keep in mind to use parentheses when the order of operations is not clear. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. We have learned how to perform basic mathematical operations in Java, operator precedence, and how to override it. As an assignment for this tutorial, find out what is meant by the modulo operator and what it does. To know more about the Spoken Tutorial project, watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to spoken-tutorial.org. The Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the following link. This tutorial has been contributed by Talent Sprint. Thanks for joining.